This little girl is trying her best to catch the water, but the reality is something completely different. In fact, this is a famous waterfall in China, and what you're seeing isn't entirely natural. It's actually a trick. The water appears to be falling from the top, but before it reaches the ground, it disappears into a hidden hole in the rocks below. From there, the same water is pumped back up and made to fall again, repeating the cycle. That's why it looks like the water suddenly vanishes midway, when in reality, it's a cleverly designed system that creates an optical illusion.